destroying creativity. If I may, I would like to add to that point. Social media can inspire and motivate individuals to pursue their creative interests by showcasing the work of others and highlighting the potential for success. Social media may present some challenges to creative expression. It also offers numerous opportunities for self-expression, collaboration, and innovation. Around the world, people use social media platforms such as YouTube or Facebook to communicate and share ideas. Without these platforms, it would not easy to share idea or express feeling to friends. However, the question of whether social media is destroying creativity is important. Some groups believe that social media is stifling original ability, while others believe that social media is increasing their creativity. People use social media platforms for creative learning, experience, design and art. Thank you.
I hate to cut off my dear opponent, but I think this might be important to say that social media focus on short form of content and gratification can discourage the kind of sustained focus and deep learning that is often necessary for creative work. It has been given rise to creativity and it is also blamed for stalling creativity. But it is so far from the truth. Instead, this social media has revolutionized the way creatives showcase their talent and connect with like-minded individuals and gain inspiration. You have to understand, my dear opponent, that platforms like Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram have democratized content creation, allow artists, musicians, writers to showcase their talent with a global audience. Social media encourages people to copy trends rather than creating original ideas. Scrolling for hours kills time that could be used to creating something new. People are more focused on viral trends than meaningful creativity. You have to agree that creativity needs silence and focus. Both are missing in this today's online world. The constant need for likes and followers limits true self-expression. That's the question to my opponent. That is it not true that creative minds are also distracted by social media?
Yes, it is needed true that creative minds can be distracted by social media.
But I am not satisfied with your point. Instead of thinking deeply, people copy each other's trend. We spend more time on scrolling than creating. You have to agree that social media makes us lazy and stop us to be a creative person. Creativity needs silence and focus. Both are missing in this world. And creativity needs time. But social media wastes that time. That's why we believe that our side is right. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now this time is coming Rohan from Team A and against him Chirag is coming from Team B to represent her arguments.
We all know that social media play a big role in our life. Today, it is very popular in all age group, especially among youth and students. In simple words, we can define social media as a platform where we can post, search, chat, and get connected with other peoples. There are lots of social sites and apps which can run on computer as well as smartphones, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, etc. As we all know that every coin has two sides. Social media has both advantages and disadvantages. One of the major advantages of social media is that it is full of information and help in providing education. We can quickly gain information and news via social media. It is also a great tool that is used to create awareness about social evil or social reform. It is a good platform to connect and communicate with other people from any corner of the world. At the same time, companies use social media to promote their brands. Thank you.
After hearing the point of opposite side, I would like to present my side. Social media has given a platform to marginalized voices and allow them to express ourselves in a way that were previously impossible. The constant stream of information and a notification can be displayed on a social media. Discussion making energy, leaving less mental space for a creativity thinking, collaboration and feedback. Social media enables to creators to collaboration, receive feedback and iterate on this work, loading improved creativity and artistic growth. There is a ton on innovation and ample opportunity to learn and express creativity in multiple areas, and also good environment find out one on. Aligned creativity does not align with you. There is no need to feel a bondage or obligation by getting a tied up as one institution or a teacher was caused per digital era. Thank you.
Now next is coming Samiksha from Team A to represent her views, and against her Rupal is coming from Team B.
Dear friend, I truly admire your efforts, but sometimes what seems right is not always the complete truth. So today I stand here to show you that other side of the truth. Social media connects users to a vast network of ideas, perspectives and inspiration which can be invaluable for creative exploration. It fosters comparison and competition, causing individuals to feel pressure to conform to certain standards rather than exploring their unique creativity. The modern way of keeping in touch with people we know and being aware is through social media. And you have to understand that demand for social media has grown worldwide and it has brought some significant changes in our lives. It is a way to contact with more and more people virtually. Okay, you just tell me one thing. You don't use social media for your schoolwork and for your entertainment, then how would you recognize that social media is destroying our creativity?
Sorry, I am not convinced by your argument.
A popular and quickly growing knowledge and interaction outlet are social media, where people are free to gain information and express their thoughts. Sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram are the social media platforms dominant internationally.
Can you provide evidence to support your claim?
Yes, you can check the evidence which I have to prove myself. Research shows that attention spans have dropped from 12 seconds to 2000 to just 8 seconds, now even less than a goldfish, because of constant use of social media. Social media pressures to follow trends for likes and followers instead of thinking differently. It is one of the most general ways of communication and it is growing very quickly. Okay, just one more thing before you have your say. Most people see that social media has more positive effects than the negative one. Recent article even said that Facebook can also have positive impact on young adults. It serves as a powerful tool for information dissemination, educational resources and creative content. Thank you.
Sorry to cut you off, my dear friend, but I think it's important to clarify this point. Firstly, don't forget that the constant exposure to seemingly perfect lives and creation on social media can lead to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt impacting creativity. As you also know that access to diverse perspectives, social media expose individuals to diverse perspectives, ideas and inspiration, which can spark creativity and innovation. I hope you will know that social media can also be a valuable resource for creatives, providing access to inspiration, feedback and community. I think you will know Social media can be a real time waster. It's easy to get sucked into scrolling and checking updates. Remember that it can take from the important things in life like sleeping, study and real life interaction. Also, social media can make people feel bad about themselves by comparing their lives to what they see online, which can lead to feelings of easy and insecurity. And it's important to use social media in a way that does not take a life and make you feel bad about yourself. I hope you agree with me. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now this time is coming Parul from Team A and against her Navya is coming from Team B who will represent her arguments.
Social media, while offering connection and information, can negatively impact creativity. This is because came to a mindless scrolling, time consuming and comparison. Social media provides platform for individuals to share their creative work with a wide audience for testing a sense of community and support. Social media promotes platform, trending content leading to homogenization and establishing originality. Social media basically means any human communication and sharing of information on the internet. There are numerous websites and apps to make it possible. Social media is now becoming one of the largest means of communication and sharing of information on the internet. We live in a time and age where information is just a button press away. Social media has become a potent tool of common citizens to disseminate information on the internet. The media has like different apps on the internet. The apps like Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp are the some popular sites of the internet. Yes, I can show you the advance to prove myself. According to a 2022 study by American Psychological Association, teenagers who spend 3 hours daily on social media. Social media shows lower less time spent. Look around, I repeat again. Look around, the same dance, the same dialogue and the same means what is revenue for it. Thank you.
I heartily honor your opinion, my worthy opponent. But I honor, not agree, because I have a report that clarifies that according to a recent survey by Adobe, it comes in here that 70% of the Gen Zs means people born between 1997 to 2012 believe that social media has helped them to develop their creative skills. You have to understand, my dear opponent, that in this time in which we live, social media has just become an indispensable tool for creatives to showcase their work, connect with like-minded individuals, and not only these, even to gain inspiration from a vast array of sources. After seeing your expressions, I don't think you agree with me. But that's not a big problem. As you show me your evidence, I have also some evidences that clarify the things. It's mentioned in it that Instagram, YouTube and Snapchat have given rise to countless self-made writers, painters, artists, musicians, singers who may never found a platform without social media. According to a report by Forbes in 2023, over 60% of the entrepreneurs found their business idea from social media trends. Check this example out. It's clarify how creativity is being supported by social media. Numbers never lie, my dear friend. The evidence is clear. Okay, don't panic by the evidence. But can you answer my one question, that is it wrong that social media is providing opportunity for aspiring musicians, artists, painters, dancers, singers? No, I am satisfied with you. Wait, listen to my side first. Artists to share their work with a global audience. Social media media can be a positive platform, as evident from our school's presence on various channels. It shows that social media can also focus on worthwhile content. And finally, that's my question to my worthy opponent, that is it not true that social media's increased visibility can lead to a new opportunity, collaboration and even financial success?
Excuse me, interjected. I can't agree with your points.
Let me express my thoughts first, my worthy opponent. Let's come to the point, guys. Moreover, social media's instructive nature enable creatives to showcase their work, refine their craft, engage with their audience and receive feedback. Hope you and you guys also understood my perspective. Thank you for attentively listening and have a nice day.
Now this time is coming Sanjana from Team A, and against her Adil is coming from Team B.
With all due respect, may I present an alternative perspective. Social media facilitates collaboration and the exchange of ideas, allowing users to learn from each other and build upon each other's work. Distraction and decreased attention spam, social media concept, notification and scrolling can distraction individual from focus on creative pursuit, leading to decreased attention spam, reduce creativity. Person opinion based of my own person expression. I believe social media is killing creativity for this reason. Social media has been proved to be highly addictive and forming in nature. In the moment between our day-to-day tasks, where we would usually be sitting with ourselves or enjoying in conversation, we are now enjoying in mindless and deaf mind. Inducing social media concept, I have my greatest creativity, spark and unique creative ideas. When I am walking from A to B, drive in the car, lap, swimming, lap, etc. These are moments where the mind is not stimulated and free to wander living room. For that spark come through when you are added to social media. The gap in your life are filled with constant notification from social media. You leave much less and time for you to have this unhurried moment of inspiration. Thank you for listening me.
Acid to tool and audience. App offer editing software, music tools and drawing platform for free. Example, Instagram and TikTok have launched career for musicians, artists and comedians. Learning and skill grow. User can learning skill, art, music production and coding etc. From source, contact and online communities like YouTube and Pinterest serve as waste ideas library. Creative communities, hashtag and group like hashtag writer of Instagram or hashtag animation reel bring together to challenge and inspire each other. Culture cross-pollination. Creature blend different culture and style. They discovered by online creating and hybrid art forms. Thank you.
Now the debates are going to end and the last speakers are coming. Ananya from Team A, and against her Diksha is coming from Team B.
After hearing the point of the opposite side, I would like to present my side of story. Social media promotes imitation over innovation. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram reward repetition, balances trends and templates, get more attention than original ideas. Instead of encouraging people to create something new, it pressures them to follow what's already popular. Originality is sacrificed for likes and followers. I would like to respectfully disagree with my opponent's assertion that social media is a tool for creativity, as the evidence suggests otherwise. Secondly, social media thrives on instant gratification. True creativity takes time, patience and deep thought. But on social media, if you don't capture attention in first 3 seconds, you are ignored. This environment discourages the slow developing of unique ideas. Creativity becomes shallow, short and shaped by algorithms. Thirdly, let's talk about the burnout. Social media constantly bombards users with information and comparison. People do fall out to others others and keep producing content non-stop. This leads to anxiety, stress, and eventually creative exhaustion. Instead of a space to grow creatively, social media is a mental fatigue. That's the question to my opponent team. How do you measure the impact of social media on creativity? And what metrics do you use?
Yes, measuring the impact of social media on creativity can be complex.
I understand your perspective, but I respectfully disagree. And finally, let's not forget the commercialization of creativity. Social media has turned creativity into a business. Likes, shares, and views are new currency. People no longer create for joy of it. They create for engagement. Art is no longer about expression. It is about branding. In conclusion, rather than numeric, creativity has turned a race for relevance, a chase for clout, and a product for profit. It has replaced innovation with imitation, patience with pressure, and passion with performance. I don't need to say anything. My evidence says for itself. So now I would like to give you some solid proof that social media boosts creativity. Social media provide platform for creatives to show their work and connect with audience. Social media can facilitate collaboration and inspiration among creatives. Artists and creatives have successfully used social media to improve their work and build their brand and addictive nature and crowding our creativity potentially. So it's proof that I am right and you are wrong.
Allow me to interject myself. I believe there's another side to this argument. But social media algorithms prioritize engagement, often leading to the promotion of trends and content that are easy to like rather than truly creative. Social media has democratized creativity, allowing individuals from diverse backgrounds to share their work and gain recognition. Excessive social media use can distract from creative pursuits, leading to reduced productivity and a lack of time for focused work. Social media can be a real problem. It's easy to waste hours scrolling, which means we have a less time for our real-life activities and face-to-face conversation. Plus, the constant comparison and perfect life people show online can make you feel bad about yourself, leading to anxiety and depression. And not forget about cyberbullying, where people can hide behind the screens to be mean and hurtful. And it's my question to my opponent team that does social media help people to express their creativity? Is it true or false? If is it true, so that is why and how?
Yes, social media help people to express their creativity.
But I am not agree with your answer. Social media killing creativity by making people focus on likes and followers instead of real art. It is all about being popular but not about being original. I am grateful for this opportunity to discuss this topic with all of us. Thanks to everyone for their thoughtful inputs and for listening me very carefully. Have a wonderful day.
All the members who are presenting here, as we come to the end of this debate, let us remember one thing. Debates are not about proving others wrong, but about standing for what we believe is right. Today we have shared facts, opinions and ideas, and whether we agreed or disagreed. But one thing remains come true. Conversations like these
So I have thoroughly enjoyed as being a judge of this beautiful competition where there has been an intent shown from both the sides. It was good to see that first time these students have engaged in such a competition, and they have set a standard, they have raised the standard, and I do believe all those students who are seeing these students, they must be getting inspired, and you all are motivating them. So please clap for both the teams. The way they can provide. I have the result in front of me, and this time it was very close. Both the teams have performed equally well, and especially जैसे आपको जानकारी होगी that girls has always raised the bar, and they have done or do top in number of exams, whether it is CBSE or the competitive exams or the IAS exam, and that can be seen in our school also. Though they are less in numbers, but they are very big and impactful. So clap for all the girls the way they are coming forward. So I'm gonna announce the result. First opponent from team A and team B, Shurbi and Khushi. It was a very close goal, and Shurbi has really done a tremendous work. She has improved a lot. I've seen the few demos, but today she was really impressive. But you seen her student, she has been here from few years, and at the end she got the extra point, but it was a very close goal. Shurbi got 37.5 and Khushi got 38.5. And second member from team A, Samiksha and Drupal. Over here we have a clear winner. Samiksha was raised the bar. She was at the upper hand throughout the speech. The way she came forward, even Chairman Sir mentioned that she was very confident, and she's smiling now. That's good. We are not crying. Samiksha got 40, and a very good effort from the Rupal beta also. Very good, 36.5 from the Rupal, and Samiksha got 40. Third opponent, we have Sanjana versus Adil. Again, a very, I would say Sanjana has also improved in her speech, where I have given one more number, the way she put forward her views. Sanjana got 34.5 and Adil got 31 marks. So clearly, then the fourth respondent from team A, Parul and Navya. And again here we have the clear winner. Parul was always good, but the way Navya, the intent she has shown, and the same goes to the Parul also. But Navya has been able to ask a very difficult questions, which Parul could not be able to answer. And Parul got 35 and Navya got 42 marks. That is a clear winner. And now a very interesting two names I have from the boys' side. That is Rohan and Chirag. The speech was clear, but Chirag was really intentful. He put forward it aggressively, and morally his speech was clear. Chirag got 39 marks and Rohan got 34.5. Now the last respondent for the motion, that is Ananya Tyagi from Team A, and against the motion we have Diksha. It was a difficult call, but Ananya somehow, because of her expressions, these are the expression cueing, that Ananya always is very expressionful in her speech, and a very tough competition between the Diksha, done equally well. Over here, Ananya got 42 and Diksha got 39. I think so, which we have to see. I think team B is winner, yes? For team A. Equal? How many students from team A? Raise your hand. Three are winners from this side, team A, and from team B. So it was a tie between both the teams. Overall, we are seeing respondent-wise. So many congratulations. Now I will request from our chairman, sir, to bless us and put forward his views. Thank you so much.
सबसे पहले तो मैं जिन बच्चों ने इस कंपटीशन में भाग लिया है उन्हें बहुत 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 बधाई देता हूं कि उन्होंने मेहनत पे अपने बल पर हमारे स्कूल को, जो मैंने सोचा था कभी कि हमारे इंटीरियर के बच्चे एक दिन बड़ी बड़ी जगह जाएंगे और उनसे ये कैसे सामना कर पाएंगे, तो मुझे लगता था कि हमें ये काम करने में बहुत मुश्किल आएंगी। लेकिन आज अपने बच्चों का मैं कॉन्फिडेंस देखकर या उन्होंने जिस तरीके से यहाँ मैंने उन्हें देखा है, तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि वो कहीं भी किसी भी स्कूल के साथ, और जो जितने अच्छे से अच्छे स्कूल बनते हैं या हैं, ये उनकी टक्कर के बच्चे हमारे यहाँ भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं। इसीलिए मैं एक बार और बधाई उन्हें दूंगा। दूसरे नंबर पर मैं अपने स्टाफ को भी बधाई देना चाहूँगा कि ये जो कुछ भी आप में परिवर्तन है या जो कुछ भी इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है, ये सब मेहनत आपके गुरु कह लो, टीचर कह लो, और मैं उन सबको देना चाहूँगा कि उनकी मेहनत है कि जिस तरीके से आज हमारे बच्चों में कॉन्फिडेंस है। और आखिर में मैं डॉक्टर आरती चपराना मैम और सर डॉक्टर विनय खारी को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि ये उनकी देख रेख में या उनके सपना के आधार पर ये पूरा स्कूल काम कर रहा है। और जिन बच्चों ने मेहनत करी है और बहुत अच्छे नंबर लाए हैं, मैं उन सब बच्चों को भी एक बार बधाई देना चाहूँगा। और एक बात मैं सब बच्चों से और कहना चाहूँगा कि जिन्होंने भी बच्चों ने हिस्सा लिया है आज, वो फर्स्ट आए हैं, सेकंड आए हैं, ये अपने आप में एक मायने तो रखती है चीज़ है, लेकिन ये अभी आखिर नहीं है, ये तो आपकी अभी शुरुआत है। और ये भी हमारे स्कूल का या किसी भी संस्था का ये भी एक भाग है कि आप ये सिखाई जाए कि आप जीत रहे हो, हार रहे हो, इसे भी एक बार आप जीवन में अपने खेल के रूप में लेवें। जो बच्चे आज फर्स्ट आए हैं वो और मेहनत करें। और मैंने तो देखा है कि जो बच्चे सेकंड हैं, थर्ड हैं, या जो बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, ये भी सोचें कि हम भी कर सकते हैं, और जब ये तुम कर सकते हो तो ये भी कर सकते हैं। यही कंपटीशन की भावना पैदा करना एक संस्था का काम होता है। और आपको भी ये जो हिस्सा लेने का या जो भी हम काम कराते हैं, जो भी डॉक्टर विनय खारी, आप ये लगता होगा कुछ लोगों कहते हैं कि ये एक्टिविटी ज़्यादा कराते हैं। एक्टिविटी और ये जितने भी काम होते हैं, ये तुम्हारे जीवन का सिखाने के लिए एक पार्ट है। ये भी स्कूलिंग है, ये भी एक शिक्षा है। खाली किताबी शिक्षा से ही काम नहीं चलेगा। हमारे जीवन में किताबी शिक्षा ही काम नहीं आती, खाली वो भी काम आती है। उसके साथ और जो भी कंपटीशन कराए जाते हैं, या खेल रही हो, या आज की डिबेट है, या और बहुत एक्टिविटी होती हैं, ये आपके व्यक्तित्व के विकास के लिए होती हैं। आप दुनिया में कहीं भी जाओगे, आपको यही चीज़ें काम आएंगी। तो आपको ऐसे माहौल में बनाना या इस तरीके से आपकी तैयारी करना कि आप कहीं भी दुनिया में जाओगे तो आपको ये महसूस ना हो कि हमने जहाँ शिक्षा ली है कि हम कहीं वहाँ पीछे रह गए हो। मेरा तो ये मानना है कि आप उन सब में भी आगे रहोगे। और एक चीज़ मैं और चाहता हूँ आप लोगों से कि दो तरीके हैं जीवन में बड़ा बनने के। एक तो खुद बड़े बनो ही बनो, एक बड़ा बनाओ। तो मैं सब बच्चों को आज एक चैलेंज कहूँ या मैं क्या कहूँ, तुम्हें एक मिशन दूंगा। आप अपना तो विकास करो ही करो, आपका विकास तो होएगा ही होएगा। आप सब बच्चे मिलकर ये सोचें कि हम इस स्कूल को भी पहली बार तो हम जिले में नंबर 1 पे लेके आएंगे। जिस दिन ये भावना आपके भीतर पैदा हो जाएगी औरों के करने के लिए, जब हम औरों के लिए करते हैं तो औरों के लिए तो करते ही हैं, हमारा खुद का भी बहुत ज़्यादा विकास होता है। तो मैं सब बच्चों से कहना चाहूँगा कि वो इस स्कूल को नंबर 1 बनाने के लिए, हमारा स्टाफ है बहुत अच्छी मेहनत कर रहा है, और डॉक्टर आरती चपराना है, डॉक्टर विनय खारी हैं, ये सब लोग मिलकर, आपको लगता है ऐसा होगा कि डॉक्टर आरती चपराना आपके साथ नहीं है, लेकिन वो 24 घंटे कैसे पढ़ाना है, क्या करना है, कैसे स्कूलिंग होनी है, वो सब पे काम करती है। और ये उन्हीं चीज़ों का परिणाम है कि जब हम धीरे धीरे करके जिले के नंबर 1 भी बनेंगे, यूपी में भी नंबर 1 आएंगे, और एक दिन हम देश में भी नंबर 1 आएंगे। और इसके लिए मैं तो एक चीज़ कह सकता हूँ, बहुत सारे काम तो आपके साथ स्टाफ करेगा या ये प्रिंसिपल मैम करेंगी, लेकिन एक चीज़ की तो मुझे पता है कि उसके बिगैर आप नंबर 1 नहीं बन सकते, आप अच्छे इंसान नहीं बन सकते, आप अच्छे स्टूडेंट नहीं बन सकते, आप कुछ भी जीवन में अच्छे नहीं बन सकते। जो कि एक चीज़ है डिसिप्लिन, जिस पे अनुशासन नहीं है वो जीवन में कुछ नहीं बन पाता अच्छा। तो मेरा सभी बच्चों से आज के बाद जब भी आप क्लासों में जाओ तो ये भी एक टीचर आपके कह भी रहे होंगे आपसे बार बार, आप इस तरीके से अनुशासन बनाओ कि ये ही आपको आगे लेके जाएगा। कभी हमारे देश का इंदिरा गांधी हमारी प्रधानमंत्री हुई है, उन्होंने एक नारा दिया था, अनुशासन ही जीवन में सबसे आगे लेके जाता है। तो एक इस पे भी आप बहुत अच्छे से काम करें, और सब बच्चों को मेरी शुभकामनाएं।
Good afternoon everyone, respected Chairman sir, Director sir and our Principal ma'am. Firstly, I would like to thank you our Director sir who gave me this opportunity to prepare these students for this wonderful debate. And thank you dear students to make me feel proud on today's debate. And congratulations to all the students who participate in today's debate. And again I would like to say to make me feel proud and thoroughly debate, you develop your skill, your confidence, and I hope whose students are sitting in front of my वो भी अपने आप उस डिबेट के लिए प्रिपेयर करें, वो भी आगे आएं, और आई होप कि आपने भी बहुत कुछ इन बच्चों से आज सीखा होगा। एंड इन द एंड once again congratulations all the students who participated in this debate. Thank you sir.
And our respected principal ma'am, and one and all my present dear student who make me proud here. I can say that firstly I am very glad to show that my class 11th students are sitting here with great confidence that they represent their debate, their part very confidently. It is very amazing way that they introduce themselves, their topic. And now I would like to say that our debate topic was social media is the only cause of depression or creativity. It makes it realize us that firstly we should spend time with our elders who learn our moral stories and best things which is very valuable to make us a proud citizen. And yahi at the last when I was standing there, I was showing that there are too much students who will be the part of NR Global School, that our area, that they will become the highest school, getting highest marks in our area, and I am very proud of this moment and congratulate to my class 10th students for their result. That is very, very amazing for me.